We will learn a few properties and different objects in this video. So suppose you have a value here, say 12, and you want to copy this value from the cell to another cell. So how will you write the code in VBA for this particular function? So we will first go in Developer, Visual Basic, and we will go for this. It's in Welcome Sheet. As you can see here, the sheet name is Welcome. So we will go in that and we will write a procedure, say sub. The procedure will start with a sub and it will end with an end sub. So let's give it a name, say demo. So as you press enter, this is the end, so your code will lie between these two. So we will first activate our worksheet welcome. So how do you do that is you write worksheet, open brackets, write the name, welcome is the name of the worksheet, close the brackets, dot, you write activate. So once you write activate, it's a method, so the welcome worksheet gets activated. And once you're in the welcome worksheet, you can specify the range. So the range where we have entered the number 12 is P8. So we will write P8 and we want to copy it. So we will write copy. So copy comes here. So you just write that. And once you've copied it, suppose if you want to paste it in the same worksheet, then you can just specify the range and write paste special. So you just write whichever range you want it in. So say you want it in range to say 10 and you write dot paste special. You select that and that will be the code. But if you want to copy this range P8 which is 12 and you want to paste it in another worksheet, say one of these, then you will have to activate that particular worksheet as we've done for welcome, and then you will write the range dot paste special. In this case we just want to copy it in the same, so we'll just keep it at that, and then we can press play here. It's a run sub procedure user form and you can press play, and here we need to write worksheets, that's a correction, and it runs. So as you can see that it was copied from P8 and now it's pasted in Q10. So the VBA code runs fine. Next we can learn about the visible method. So in that, what we can do is you can go in your examples unfinished this workbook sheet. Once you go in that, you can write a private sub procedure. So private sub, you will click on workbook. So it's a workbook open. You can select open from here for workbook. Once you've done that, we want to make our welcome worksheet visible. As soon as the user opens this workbook, we want the user to see only the welcome sheet. This is very useful for an application. So you can write worksheet welcome dot visible is equal to true. So whenever you open the workbook, your welcome worksheet will be visible, And since you want to make that visible, you can make the other worksheets dot visible is equal to false, so that they're not the ones which are seen to the user first. So you can make the others, like say this worksheet here. So this is the worksheet which we don't want to make visible to the user. So we write not visible is equal to false. And this is our code for making a worksheet visible. Next, if you want to change the name of this worksheet welcome to another name, so you can just write worksheets welcome dot name is equal to whatever name you want to give it. So there are various functions and properties here in VBA which you can use, different methods, so different objects which you can use to write your code.